Hey, gals and guys, it's Christopher Mosier from MyMediaHelper.com, and we're going to go over some HP Elitebooks today. We're actually going to look at three of them and make comparisons. Again, I'm not getting into the operating system. They're all Windows 10. The RAM is all 16 gig. They all have the same functionality. They all work fine. There's nothing wrong with them. Not one functions any better than the other. It's really personal preference as far as what you want, as far as stylings and functionality, as far as not the internal software, but the hardware itself. So let's look at. We're going to start with the HP Elitebook 360 830 G6. That's a mouthful, babies. So here it is right here. It's just a standard little laptop here. It's very nice. And as you can see, it's brand spanking new. Hasn't been used yet. And oh my god, like I mentioned before, can you believe how skinny and light these things are compared to, 10, 20 years ago? I did another video with these really big, and I'll be posting it if I haven't already posted, with these huge, heavy freaking laptops, and they're just insane to carry around, but had huge screens. But check that out. This isn't this particular video. So, just a standard laptop. There's really nothing special to say about it. It's just a laptop. It's got HDMI. It's got your Ethernet port here. It's got USB. It's got your earphones. It's got power. And then if you want to put a lock on it, there's an area for a lock. Another USB here. There's a card reader. That's because for business we use our cards to log into them. So it's pretty standard what you get. Really all you get is a cord with it. Ain't nothing special. Ain't no bells and whistles to it at all. It's just a standard little end of the cord. It's a 45 watt cord, if that matters to you. Doesn't suck a lot of power. So you can either use the cord or get yourself a docking station, or you can hook up more peripherals. So that's that one. All right. So I want to compare it to this other one over here. Let's put this aside. And this is actually a notebook. Ooh, if I can reach it. It's almost here. All right, so this is a EliteBook 830 G6 notebook. And again, it's pretty brand spanking new. And we'll make a comparison between the two. So I'm kind of putting them side by side the best I can. I mean, they're pretty much the same size. I mean, this one, your standard laptop compared to the notebook's a little bigger. It really doesn't make any difference, or that big a difference. There is a difference, so I shouldn't say that. But the screen's pretty much the same size, functional and everything. The only thing is, obviously, with a notebook, you can do this, right? And you can blah, 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 blah. And I wouldn't recommend doing that with this, because it's just not going to bend that way, and you're just going to break the freaking thing. So it's just a laptop. Leave it the way it is. It doesn't bend far enough. It doesn't bend like this. This is like the contortionist of computers, so it can bend all the way back like that. Okay, that's pretty cool. I'll show you what it comes with. And you can see the laptop like that. And so this comes with a little extra stuff here because it is touchscreen. It does come with a stylus. So let's take a look at what we got. So we got our stylus. We got the same cord as that one. It's still 45 watt cord, same cord. And this thing is, I'm not sure what this thing is. Oh, this is a USB fire connection. Yeah, it's right there. So fast data port right there. And then you can hook it into USB device. And what else we got? Looks like we got. Okay, looks like your Ethernet. So here's your Ethernet port to plug in your Ethernet here, and then that plugs into your computer for your computer connection. For your internet connection, if you don't happen to be wireless. If you're wireless, you don't need it. And then this is a D cable, I believe. So this is a video port cable. So if you want to plug in a monitor, it comes with this. You can plug a monitor right in there. And then to get yourself a docking station, then of course you can plug in more than one monitor. And then, like I said, it's the cord and everything. So that comes a little extra stuff. If you want to get a little extra stuff and you want your computer a little bendy, then that's the notebook. All right, we're gonna add another one into the fray here. Alright, this one is just like the bigger brother of the two. And this is the EliteBook 850 G6. It's 850 G6, and as you can see, let's get the notebook out of here for a minute. And then it's basically the same computer as this one. It's just bigger. And it's got a bigger screen, a little heavier and everything. Pretty self-explanatory. Again, I wouldn't recommend turning it into a notebook because it just doesn't twist that way. And I'll try to put the two side by side here so you can make a comparison. I think I'm back enough. So here, we'll do this. All right, so a little smaller, we can do this. All right, so there you can tell the difference there. So this is the, oops, oh my God, what's going on over the place here? So this is the 850 G6, and then, so the small one is the 830 G6, the EliteBook, and then the bigger one is the EliteBook 850 G6. I have my notes because I'm an old brain. I can't remember all that stuff. Just bigger. Both function the same. It's just, do you want to carry around a bigger unit or not? And of course, you can both close them and use them as desktops if you want. Just close it up, put it in a docking station, buy yourself a couple monitors, and get a keyboard, hook it up, and this can just be not only a laptop for you to carry around, but it also could be a desktop where it could just stay as a remote unit. Okay, so that is the difference between these two suckers, and then and then you got your notebook. Okay, and these are your 3 EliteBooks. I'm not sure off the top of my head what the price points are, so we'll have to look those up and see. But if you're trying to make a choice between your Hewlett-Packard decisions, there's 3 of them right there for you. Side by side. Okay, notebook. Smaller laptop. Bigger laptop. Alright, gals and guys, I hope this was helpful for you when you're trying to make a decision. Be it Dell or HP. In my experience, I don't know, they're both good computers. They both manufacture quality products, so it's really a matter of preference, color. It's really aesthetics when you get right down to it, because they all pretty much do the same thing. All have Windows 10, have the same processing speed pretty much as far as these are concerned, and yeah, that's all I gotta say. All right, gals and guys, thank you very much. If you like this, please subscribe and thumbs up if you like the video. Maybe share it along with someone who's trying to make a decision as far as their laptop needs or notebook needs, and hit the bell for updates and everything. So I appreciate you as always, and I will catch you later. Bye-bye.
Weißt du, manchmal sind die Fesseln, die uns davon abhalten, frei zu sein, mehr gedanklicher als reeller Natur.